The Executive Chairman of the Economic and Financial Crime Commissions, EFCC, Mr. Ola Olukayede, has raised alarm over the growing menace of virtual asset and investment frauds in Africa, warning that scammers are increasingly exploiting digital platforms to deceive unsuspecting Nigerians. Speaking through the acting zonal director of the Benin office, Mr. Efa Umo Uke, Olukayede delivered the warning at a public lecture held to mark the 2025 African Union Anti-Corruption Day. The event took place at the NBA House, GROA Benin City, on Thursday, July 11. With this year's theme focused on the evolving nature of financial crimes in the digital age, the EFCC boss cautioned that while virtual assets like cryptocurrencies and digital tokens are not illegal, they are now being weaponized by criminals to hide illicit wealth and defraud investors. He revealed that EFCC investigations have uncovered cases where corrupt politicians use crypto wallets to conceal stolen funds, further complicating efforts to trace and recover such assets. Highlighting the now infamous cyber scam, Olukayede said the scheme exposed the dangers of investor ignorance and negligence, noting that many Nigerians fell victim due to lack of due diligence and failure to report suspicious activities early.
Consider it compelling to bear my mind on some contemporary and emerging issues on the corruption on the African continent. On the African continent. As it is widely known, Africa continues to be assailed by the scourge of corruption in diverse ways. The issue of illicit financial flows is a monstrous challenge to African development, with annual losses running into billions of dollars. These flows are coming from diverse criminal activities, with money laundering ranking as the highest. Another rising criminal engagement that has the potential to outpace even money laundering on the continent is virtual assets and investment scam.
Despite the increasing sophistications of these scams, Olukayede assured the public that the EFCC remains ahead through intelligence gathering, specialized training, and strategic operations. He noted that virtual asset and investment fraud are preventable and that education, vigilance, and timely reporting are key.
Better asset fraud is on the rise. Our finding shows that foreign politicians are already effective schemes and hiding their goods in cryptocurrencies to beat the investigation remit of anti-corruption agencies. Stolen funds and unexplained wealth are being warehoused for wealth, and payment for services are being done through this window. Investments which are also being facilitated through it.
Also speaking at the event, certified fraud examiner and EFCC investigator, Mr. Joshua Abiama, gave a detailed lecture titled Understanding Virtual Asset and Investment Fraud. Abiama outlined how scammers are using unregulated platforms, NFTX, and cryptocurrencies to defraud unsuspecting Nigerians, especially young people. He warned against red flags such as guaranteed high returns, pressure to invest quickly, unregistered companies, and vague business models.
Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency to be created. It is a form of digital currency that uses blockchain technology to support transactions powered by its users with no central authority or business or middlemen. What that means is that it was created for users to exchange value. And once, because there was no regulation of this, is a decentralized system, there is no central bank in the world that is coordinating the transactions of cryptocurrency. Unlike the naira, the dollar, you can see that the central bank or in the US, the reserve, as they call it there, are regulating those currencies. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, there is no regulation. That is why you see fraudsters tend to use it more.
He urged the people to always research before investing, verify the platform's regulatory status, and avoid sharing sensitive information with strangers. Adding that, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. In a related presentation, Mr. Idris Oluremi linked the rise in digital scams to Nigeria's worsening economic hardship. He said the high cost of living, especially food and fuel prices, is pushing many desperate Nigerians to seek quick fix solutions through get-rich-quick schemes. He noted that posing schemes thrive on the false promise of financial breakthrough, only to leave victims devastated. Oloremi also highlighted EFCC ongoing efforts to track, investigate, and prosecute the masterminds behind this fraudulent aspiration.
Promising them consistent high returns.
Dennis Ogudian, reporting for VOS TV, Benin City.